Alright guys, so I just got my delivery from Island Shippers. They're very reliable and stuff, because I ordered this early so I could get it in time for my daughter's birthday. Must commend Island Shippers because of the convenience that they give in delivering my stuff, and within 24 hours of clearing my goods from the wharf, I am delivered my product. Thanks to Island Shippers. I would encourage anybody to use Island Shippers to do any of their shipping, because they're reliable, they're convenient, and very affordable. When I say their prices is second to none, I mean their prices are second to none. Island Shippers, thumbs up.